Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you friends? Hope everyone is fine. Welcome to Little Wings Arabic channel. It's your channel. Thank you so much for your support. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed so far. You must be wondering why I have so many things in my table. Okay, all these things. Yes, of course. It's today. It's going to be very interesting. I am going to show. I am going to tell what are these mobile accessories, mobile and related to mobile things. Accessories are called in Arabic. Okay, Arabic words for all these mobile phone and mobile accessories. Okay, so please stay with us and subscribe and share with others. Maybe it will be helpful to everyone to learn. It's good to learn new language, right? So let's go to video. Okay, can you see what is in my hand? This is called landline mobile, right? Landline phone. Yeah, landline. So home phone. So what is this called in Arabic? So this is called Haatif, telephone. Okay, those days it used to be another type of mobile landline. Yes, now this it's coming like so. Telephone can be so many types. At home telephone. Okay, home landline, home telephone number. So what is home telephone called? So home telephone is called Haatif Al Manzil. I repeat, Haatif Al Manzil. Haatif Al Manzil is home telephone number. Okay, home telephone. If you want to give someone home telephone number, my note down. So what is called Haatif Al Manzil. Coming second thing is if you are going to office, you are having a business. So if you want to give your telephone number, what is that? So if you should, it is called Haatif Al Maktab. Haatif Al Maktab. Office telephone is called Haatif Al Maktab. One more, if you are a teacher or if you are having school, your kids are studying in school, you want to know about that, means Haatif Al Madrasa. Haatif Al Madrasa. So telephone, so many types I have. So 3 examples I give: house, office, and school. So okay. Next we will go, which is very important thing. What is this called in Arabic? Okay. Every one of us has now. Without that, I think many people cannot live. Yes. Okay. So what is this called? So this is called basically. It has 2 words. One you can call it Jawal. I repeat, mobile phone is called Jawal. Or another word, Arabic word for this is Mahmool. Another word for mobile phone is Mahmool. Okay, hope you understand. First word I said is Jawal, or second word is Mahmool. Okay, a mobile phone can be 2 types, as always we know. One is if you are working in the office, one can be, some offices they give for office purpose only, and you will have your personal mobile also. So what is personal mobile called in Arabic? So personal mobile is called Jawal Shakhsi. It's my mobile, for example, means Jawal Shakhsi. Jawal Shakhsi or Mahmool Shakhsi. Jawal Shakhsi, Mahmool Shakhsi, which means my personal mobile. You are not using it for any other office related work. Second thing is if you are having office phone, office mobile phone. What is office mobile phone is called? So you can say Jawal Amal. Jawal Amal or Mahmool Amal. This means business. For business purpose you are using that mobile. Okay. Now accessories related to mobile phone. So what you need in mobile phone? Of course, what is this? Yeah, this is called Bataria. Yeah, what is this called? Bataria. Same like similar to battery, Bataria. So Bataria is the Arabic word for battery. Okay, this battery is also called, which is usually we use for a clock, watch, whatever other things, toys and all. So what is this called? This is also called Bataria. Card is inside the mobile phone. I didn't remove it, but remember what is SIM card called? SIM card is called Bitaka SIM. Okay, Bitaka SIM. Bitaka SIM. Another word for SIM card is Shariha. Shariha. 2 words for SIM card. One is Bitaka SIM, and for example, remember this, like this is small. Okay, so Bitaka SIM charger is called Shahhaan. Okay, one word is Shahhaan, another word is Shahina. One word is Shahhaan, another word is Shahina. When you plugged in, you can either with Bluetooth or whatever it is, direct you are connecting. So what is this called? This is called Sama'a. This is called السماعه. Headphone is called السماعه in Arabic. Okay, called in Arabic. Can you see? Usually we have very small memory cards in all this one. So what is memory card called in Arabic? Hope you can see. I know it's very small. Okay, so what is this called? This is called zakirah. This is called zakirah. Memory card is called zakirah in Arabic. So friends, hope you understand whatever I was telling. Okay, so this is called Haatif. Mobile phone is called jawal. Okay, battery is called bataria. Okay, headphone is called السماعه. This both. Okay, charger is called Shahina or Shahhaan. Okay, and the last one which I said is memory card, which is zakirah. One more thing I said which is inside in this, which is SIM card, which is called bitaka SIM or shariha. Okay friends, so friends, hope you like this very interesting video. We'll be back with more updates. Please subscribe Little Wings Arabic channel. Thank you.